Okay, so we all know how overwhelming crypto trading can be, right? Well, imagine if there was a way to make money without constantly monitoring the market or spending hours researching coins. That's where TapSwap comes in. It's a game changer, and today I'm going to walk you through how you can use TapSwap and its unique code to earn passive income effortlessly. Welcome back to 1 in a Million, your go-to channel for everything crypto. Today, I'm about to reveal some lazy ways to make money with a cool tool known as TapSwap. If you're looking to earn without breaking a sweat, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the latest crypto tips and tricks. Oh, and don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful. Now let's get to the good stuff. Step 1. What is TapSwap? So, what is TapSwap? TapSwap is a platform that allows you to swap tokens quickly. But here's where it gets interesting. It also offers opportunities for users to generate passive income by providing liquidity and using special referral codes. That means, not only can you easily swap between tokens, but you can earn simply by being part of the ecosystem. Step 2. How the TapSwap code works. Now let's talk about the code. TapSwap has this feature where, with a referral code, you can earn extra bonuses and rewards. The best part? It's super easy to get started. All you have to do is find a referral code, I'll be sharing one below, and use it when you sign up. Once you're in, you'll start earning rewards every time someone uses your referral code. It's a simple way to generate passive income without doing much at all. Step 3. Step-by-step guide to getting started. Here's how to start earning with TapSwap in just a few easy steps. Sign up for TapSwap. Go to the TapSwap website or app and use the referral code provided below to sign up. Explore liquidity pools. Once you're signed up, check out the liquidity pools available and select the ones that suit your risk level. Sit back and earn. Once you're invested, you can literally sit back and earn passive income as your funds work for you in the liquidity pool. Plus, every time someone uses your referral code, you earn even more. See? It's that simple. If you're ready to start making some passive income, use the code in the description to sign up with TapSwap today. Don't forget to share your own referral code with friends and family so you can start earning even more. And while you're at it, make sure to smash that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a comment if you've got any questions. I'm always here to help. Let's all start earning some easy money together, one lazy crypto trade at a time. One last tip before we wrap up. When choosing which liquidity pools to join, make sure you do a little research. Look at the rewards, risk levels, and the coins involved. You don't have to be an expert, but making smart choices here can help you maximize your earnings. And hey, don't forget to keep an eye out for special promos or bonus rewards that TapSwap sometimes runs. Alright, crypto fam, that's it for today's video. Remember, passive income is the name of the game, and TapSwap is one of the best tools out there to help you earn effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy earning.